cruise control. All I had to do was disassemble it, desolder the old switch, throw it away, and then put in a new switch from a completely different car. But that's great, because now we can just hit resume and speed up and slow down using cruise control buttons. Opened up the distributor and I flipped over the limiting plate, so we now get 14 degrees vacuum advance. And I also put in 2 medium springs from a Moroso advance kit. And that seems to have really smoothed out the engine. And there was so all of that was in aid of, there was a thumping at higher speeds, and as it turned out it was just the vacuum engagement switch for the lockup converter was set a little bit too low. So after adjusting that up, the thumping and surging it occasionally got when cruising completely disappeared, and now the car's running better than ever. And I could set the cruise circuit for a bit more leanness for a lot better fuel economy. So between the extra vacuum advance, the TCI system working properly, and everything else, we should be picking up 15 miles to the gallon highway cycle, which would be great, because the last time we came out we got about 12 miles to the gallon, so 15 or more would be pretty desirable. Anyway, that was all small work that no one got to see. Oh, and I also finished adjusting the TV cable, and it's really dialed in, and now the governor is working how it's meant to, which is sort of annoying because I paid $300 for one of the last 11 genuine Delco standard performance governors that I was going to modify up, but apparently